Hello everyone, today we are introducing the attachment for the Philips FC6812 cordless vacuum cleaner, a handheld crawl straw. This attachment includes the vacuum filtration system and dust collection bin. It's ideal for cleaning up larger particles from sofa crevices, corners, and other hard-to-reach areas. Philips employs bagless vacuuming technology in this mode, along with a cordless handle that delivers stronger suction for extended periods. Besides, Philips has also upgraded the filtration system with a triple filter system that ensures only clean air returns to the motor, thereby sustaining high-speed airflow for longer periods. This concludes our overview of this device. We also want to remind you of the importance of regularly replacing and cleaning the filter to maintain the vacuum's cleaning efficiency. TongBo technology also have high-quality filters compatible with this machine for you to choose from. If you are interested in it, welcome to comment or send a private message. Thank you for your watching, and we'll see you next time.